Clyde really loves his new toys. I think he likes the squeaky rope the best. But he was playing with a chicken a minute ago. Clyde, say hi! Oh, he almost bit my hand off. He's such a big dog. See, he loves his new toys. And when we go on a hike, we're going to use the new Gulpy bottle. Clyde. Well, ooh, we got the new chicken. Thanks, Matthew and Margot and Gabrielle and Cindy and Stefan. As you can see, your gifts are a hit.